What's up, baddies? So welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is JaiDoesIt if you're new here, and today we're going to be back with another Ipsy Boxycharm unboxing. So if you guys would like to see what I received this month for April, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new videos, okay? Period. So this month's theme is Welcome Home, and it says, this month come out of hibernation to embrace a dreamy new world filled with heavenly makeup, plant positive faves, and vitamin powered skincare to bring out your inner glow. So this is my Glam Bag, and you know with the Glam Bag you get 5 deluxe samples for $14 a month, and all of these products in this bag are going to be worth up to $70. So this is what this bag looks like. It's blue and white striped with a peach. Is that a peach? I think that's a peach as the zipper. It has the Ipsy logo here on the side. It's really cute. It's a cloth bag. So the first item that I received is from the brand Chica Beauty, and this is the Fiesta Mini Eyeshadow Palette. Oh, it's really cute. So this one has 9 eyeshadow sections, which I love. So you have a variety of shadows to choose from instead of just 4. Really, really cute. You can take this with you on a trip, on the go. Perfect sizing. The next thing that I have is a lip liner, and this is from the brand Scone, and I have this lip liner in the shade Cosmo. It's like a peachy... It's a cool tone peachy brown, but it's very light. The third thing that I have is the Biome Advanced Eye Cream. I'm guessing that's vitamin C. And this is from the brand Neogen. Y'all know I love eye creams. This says an eye cream formulated with Neogen's exclusive V Biome Liposome. Helps hydrate and firm the saggy and wrinkle prone areas around the eyes. So we have a sample size of this. The fourth thing I have is this mascara. A mascara from Tarte, and this is their Big Ego mascara. This is a travel size. Like I said, the Glam Bag is perfect for if you want to fill your makeup bag with on-the-go products. So this is cute and small. And the last thing that I have in this Glam Bag is the Biro Pro Berry Pore Refining Toner. And this is also a sample size. Really small, perfect for travel makeup kits. I can't wait to see what this one is about. I love the size of this. I love it. So that is all that I received from my Ipsy Glam Bag. So now let's get into this Boxycharm box. So this is my Boxycharm box. As you know, with Boxycharm you get 5 full-size products for $30 a month. So you get to choose up to 3 of those products. I didn't get to choose any of these because I received this in PR, so it's always a surprise for me. So let's just get into it. I love that they're now including this newsletter inside of the boxes, so you get to see what you get, you know, the tings. So the first thing I received in my Boxycharm box is from the brand Life, and this is the Detox Face Mask. It says it clears complexion and detoxifies. So this is skin clearing face mask from the brand Life. Next, I have a product from the brand In Beauty Project. So this is the slushy serum, and has a bakuchiol serum and hyaluronic acid. It says it deeply hydrates skin and improves the appearance of uneven texture. I like that. It's an airless pump bottle, so I really like that. Synthetic fragrance. I don't like that. I don't like that. I wonder what it smells like now. So it does have a smell to it. It's not too strong though, but it does have a scent to it. So that's the second thing we received. But ooh, the third thing I have is from the brand Boxycharm, and this is their Plump Shot Sheer Tint Lip Serum in the shade Dolly Babe. I love Boxycharm lip glosses. It's a cute gloss. So this is what the gloss looks like. Real curvaceous. And this is what it looks like swatched on my hand. Really pretty pink. I could definitely put that to use. The fifth thing I received is the Lithy High Definition Gel Eyeliner. And it says that it's built in with an angled brush, so you can smudge your eyeliner out if you'd like to for that super smoky effect. Oh, and this eyeliner is in the shade Coffee Bean. Oh, and that's a really nice dark brown. So that's Coffee Bean right here. Really dark and rich. So I can't wait to try this one. You know, most dark brown liners aren't dark brown. Now the last thing that I have in my Boxycharm box is from the brand Lunar Beauty, and this is their Moon Prism Blush Cheek Palette. So it's not that bad. I was thinking this would be like holographic shades, but it's pretty natural blush shades. These two are the darkest feel like you could see them on my complexion a little bit, but not as, you know, as much as you'll see it on a lighter complexion. So I could try this, or this would be perfect to add to your makeup kit because of all of the shade ranges that it has. That's really cute. And they have 5 matte shadows, not matte shadows, they have 5 matte blushes and 1 sparkly blush. So I can't wait to try this. Lunar Beauty. I've never tried anything from their brand. So the grand total that I received from the Boxycharm box is this much, and we only paid $30 for it. So you do the math. So if you received a Boxycharm or Ipsy Glam Bag, let me know down below. Let me know if we received the same products or not. Thank you so much, baddies, for watching this video. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. And until next time, baddies, bye.
See money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Came out of nothing, girl.